Guys, there is an issue here with this RC receiver, the Dumbo. This is a Dumbo X4. Okay, when you switch it on, so in most cases it will flash green if the transmitter is not on. In this case, even though the transmitter is turned on, the flashing is still there. You can see it's on, but no matter what feedback I give it or command, it's not working. The fixing of this is very simple. So all you need to do is just change the batteries of the transmitter. Okay. The first step that you need to do is check or confirm if the batteries are depleted. So once you change, just confirm this. Once you turn it on, it always flashes green when the transmitter is not connected. Okay, so now you have changed the batteries. When you switch it on, the lights stops blinking. Yes, now it's solid. Once it's solid green, it means it's well connected with the transmitter. The light should always tell you if the batteries are about to die. So what you need just to do is just test it. You can put full throttle and then you measure. So the fix was very easy. All you need to do is just change the batteries. That's all.